Exercise. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the 4 alternatives given below. Number 1. Which one of the following places receives the highest rainfall in the world? Options are A. Silchar, B. Mawsynram, C. Cherrapunji, D. Guwahati. The correct option is Mawsynram. Mawsynram receives the highest rainfall in the world. Number 2. The wind blowing in the northern plains in summer is known as. Options are A. Kal Baisakhi, B. Lu, C. Trade winds, D. None of the above. The correct answer is Lu. The wind blowing in the northern plains in summers is known as Lu. Number 3. Which one of the following causes rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? Options are A. Cyclonic depression, B. Retreating monsoon, C. Western disturbances, D. Southwest monsoon. The correct option is Western disturbances. Western disturbances causes rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India. Number 4. Monsoon arrives in India approximately in. Option A. Early May. Option B. Early July. Option C. Early June. Option D. Early August. The correct answer is early June. Monsoon arrives in India approximately in early June. Number 5. Which one of the following characterizes the cold weather season in India? Options are A. Warm days and warm nights, B. Warm days and cold nights, C. Cool days and cold nights, D. Cold days and warm nights. The correct option is B. Warm days and cold nights. Warm days and cold nights characterizes the cool weather season. Question number 2. Answer the following questions briefly. Number 1. What are the controls affecting the climate of India? Answer. The controls affecting the climate of India are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief features. Latitude. Nearly half of India lies south of the Tropic of Cancer, while the rest lies in the subtropics. The climate therefore has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical climates. Altitude. To the north are mountains with an average height of 6,000 meters. India also has a vast coastal area with maximum elevation of 30 meters. The difference in altitudes result in different climatic conditions in the country. Relief features. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia entering the subcontinent, resulting in milder winters. The 3 water bodies surrounding India also have a moderating effect on its climate. Pressure and winds. The climate is also affected by pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclones. Number 2. Why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Answer. The word monsoon usually refers to the seasonal reversal in the direction of wind during the year. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Hence, it is said to have a monsoon type of climate. Number 3. Which part of India does experience the highest diurnal range of temperature and why? Answer. The northwestern part of India, comprising the Thar Desert, that is the Indian desert, experiences the high diurnal range of temperature. This region is covered with sand and has a very little vegetation cover. Sand absorbs heat quickly during the day and loses heat very quickly at night. As a result of this phenomenon, there is a wide difference between day and night temperatures in this region. The day temperature may rise to 50 degrees Celsius and drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius the same night. Number 4. Which wind accounts for rainfall along the Malabar coast? Answer. The southwest monsoon winds are responsible for rainfall along the Malabar coast. Number 5. What are jet streams and how do they affect the climate of India? Answer. Jet streams are a narrow belt of high-altitude westerly winds in the troposphere with speeds varying from about 110 km per hour in summer to 184 km per hour in winter. The subtropical westerly jet stream blowing south of the Himalayas are responsible for the western cyclonic disturbances experienced in the north and northwestern part of the country during the winter months. The subtropical easterly jet streams blowing over peninsular India are responsible for the tropical cyclones that affect the eastern coastal regions of India during the monsoon, as well as during the October to November period. Number 6. Define monsoons. What do you understand by break in monsoon? Answer. The word monsoon usually refers to the seasonal reversal in the direction of wind over a large area during a year. In summers, it blows moist air from the ocean to the land, and in winter, it blows dry air offshore. Break in monsoon refers to the wet and dry spell of the monsoon. The monsoon rains take place for a few days at a time and are interspersed with rainless intervals. Breaks are related to the movement of the monsoon trough. Question number 7. Why is the monsoon considered the unifying bond? Answer. Despite variations in temperature condition across India, a sense of unity is imposed by the monsoon. The seasonal alteration of the wind system and the associated weather conditions provide a rhythmic cycle of seasons that binds the entire country. The Indian landscape, animals, lands, the life of the people and their occupations all revolve around the monsoons. The water they provide for agriculture and the rivers that carry this water also create a unifying bond.